Bonsoir. If you are doing devoir créole to anglais, English, anglais, that means you have completed exercice créole to English. I'm very proud of you. This is one of the most difficult parts of the program, and we continue to do this throughout the rest of the program so that you can get used to hearing something in Creole cold turkey without any idea of where the person's coming from. And I am giving you the tools to be able to manage this without being nervous, intimidated, or shutting down. So I am constantly telling you sentences before you look at the workbook for you to try to translate. And then your second step is to go to the answer key to see what you got differently, or if you translated the entire thing correctly. Then the third step is to look at the actual workbook, the devoir, the Creole to English and Creole to Anglais, so that you can see, oh, did I even hear that word correctly? Did I think she said what she said? Not necessarily did I just translate it correctly, but did I hear the Creole words correctly? And then what I always like to tell people is, if you feel like, yes, I got it, but boy, this is really hard, go back and watch these videos again without looking at your notes and notice how, from doing this in the exact order I've given it to you, you will understand what I'm saying. So let's retrace what I just said. You will listen to the Creole on the video on Vimeo first without looking at anything. Your second step will be to go to the answer key to see if you got the general idea or some of the words correct. And what didn't you get correct, so you can ponder why and figure it out in your third step when you look at the actual workbook, the exercice or the devoir, and go, ooh, I didn't even hear that word. Or, oh, I misunderstood that part of the phrase. Your fourth step can be coming back to this video and going, let me see if now after hearing it, figuring it out, and reading it, I can understand it. And you will begin to understand me quite well as you return over and over again. Remember, you're not trying to go from one lesson to the next lesson. You are trying to make sure that you retain the information. So for your translation skills, you will always come back to the Creole videos, even if you're in Leçon 20, Lesson 20. You will always come back to the Creole videos so that you can make sure you're hearing my Creole sentences and translating them quickly. So now let's do devoir 6, Creole to Anglais. Numéro 6. Sorti là. Sorti là. Sorti là. Sorti là. Sorti là. Répétez. Sorti là. Sorti là. Remember, you can pause me at any time for you to try to figure out what I'm saying. Also, you can basically listen to me before writing anything, whichever skill works for you. Me, I like to listen, write, so that I can remember what I've heard to work on my translation skills. Numéro 7. Combien l'argent ou gagne? 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 Répétez. Combien l'argent ou gagne? Combien l'argent ou gagne? Numéro 8. Allez la caillou. Allez la caillou. Ale la kay ou. Ale la kay ou. Ale la kay ou. Répétez. Ale la kay ou. Ale la kay ou. Numéro 9. Ou toujours penser ça? 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 Répétez. Ou toujours penser ça? Ou toujours penser ça? Numéro 10. Ou kon ki le ou ka ranger bagay la? Ou kon ki le ou ka ranger bagay la? Ou kon ki le ou ka ranger bagay la? Ou kon ki le ou ka ranger bagay la? Ou kon ki le ou ka ranger bagay la? Répétez. Ou kon ki le ou ka ranger bagay la? Ou kon ki le ou ka ranger bagay la? Bien fait! The very next video will be me telling you the translation to anglais so that you can see that after listening to me and looking at the answer key and looking at the workbook in that order, if you got them right and what you need to work on. And then it is always good to come back to this video and listen to me in Creole to see, yes, I'm remembering it now that I did that whole process. Okay, au revoir.